ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model that can answer a wide range of questions and engage in conversations with users. Here's how to use ChatGPT and its advantages. Find a platform. ChatGPT can be accessed on various platforms such as websites, messaging apps, or voice assistants. Look for a platform that supports ChatGPT. Start a conversation. Once you're on the platform, start a conversation with ChatGPT by asking a question or typing a message. Receive a response. ChatGPT will analyze your message and provide a response based on its training and knowledge. Continue the conversation. You can continue the conversation with ChatGPT by asking follow-up questions or providing more context. Advantages of using ChatGPT. Quick and easy access to information. ChatGPT can provide instant answers to your questions without the need to search the internet. 24/7 availability. ChatGPT can operate around the clock, allowing you to ask questions and receive answers at any time. Efficient and cost-effective. ChatGPT can handle multiple conversations at once, making it an efficient and cost-effective way to handle customer service inquiries. Personalized interactions. ChatGPT can analyze your messages and provide personalized responses based on your preferences and previous interactions. Continual learning. ChatGPT is continually learning and improving, meaning that its responses will become more accurate and relevant over time.